Well, good morning, friends. We're going to be going to Berlin, New Hampshire today. We got to go to the St. Vincent de Paul Nursing Home in Berlin, New Hampshire. We got to take care of back-to-back lab sink drains on their first floor. Maintenance gave it a shot, but they just keep shooting up the other side on the ladies' room to the men's room, back and forth. So we're going to go check it out. We're going to go fix it. We're going to go get them flowing again. So let's head on out there and let's clear some drains.
Aw, come on, man. I can't use the sink, boo.
Okay, we're at the St. Vincent de Paul. We're in the first floor, men's room, ladies' room, back-to-back sinks. So we have a clog. Turn this. So they cut us access in right here, and we're going to set up our mini camera, and then we're going to go in there. Unfortunately, they don't tee right into each other straight, so I guess they're saying that they're hooks. So this way with the mini camera, we can see what we're going into. Let's get it. All right, on that connection, let's see where she ties in. This. And we're going to use our camera. We're going to run the sink on the other side because I can beam the signal right to my phone, and we're going to find out which way the sink is piped in. Alright, straight or from the side? Alright, so she's dumping it in the side. You can see that water came straight at us. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go in there and go after it. Okay, so now we got the flex shaft down and through. I'm now in the ladies' room. Camera's in the other side on the men's room. I have the pipe blocked off, like I said, because it had to be cut to gain access. I had to get the flex shaft down there with a little bit of maneuverability, but I got it down there. So I'm in the bathroom on the other side, just pulsing the water because it seems like the side eject on this pipe. Weird back to back, which without the camera, just would have been shooting by. I'm just pulsing the water. You get some down there, as you can see. It is sucking down the other way, so I want to make sure I get a sufficient enough amount of water through there before I start to back the chains out of there, because it was extremely difficult to get down there. The water on a trickle here and try to see if she goes down there good enough. Feels so weird over here because I feel like I can navigate the camera here on this side, but I can't because it's on the other side of the wall. So far, appears to be going down. Getting better, that's for sure. All right, so I'm gonna switch over and get back to drilling this pipe. keep New Hampshire flowing. That was a fun one. Mask on and clog gone.
Alrighty friends, so we got that drain all set and we took care of probably 60 years of hardened gunk in that lavatory drain. Flex shaft, camera. It was a pain in the ass to negotiate to get down there, but I got it. Been doing this a long time. So it's successful. The nursing home lavatory back-to-back sinks are running. Weird on that one because they don't typically hit its normal T where they connected and drop down with the vent on the top. Actually went straight in from the men's, ladies' other side, connected in the wall, and actually broke to the right before it went down there. So it was tough to get down there. It was only 1.25 inch pipe to make the turn, but I got it in there and we got that one flowing. So that's our job. They're happy. Drain hasn't been touched in 60 years, so the black schmeg was incredible. So we got it flowing. That's what we do. We keep New Hampshire flowing, and off to the next call. Have a good day, and thanks for watching. Always remember, beep beep, we keep New Hampshire flowing.